Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanat Academy students. Today students we are going to see the formal charge. Now students, what is the definition of formal charge? Formal charge is the charge assigned to an atom in a molecule, assuming that all the electrons are shared equally between the atoms. This is about the formal charge. Now in a molecule students, if you want to find out the formal charge of the atom in a molecule, the formal charge of atom students is equal to valence electron of that atom minus non-bonding electron of that atom minus bonding electron divided by 2 of that atom. So this is the formula students. With the help of this formula we are going to find out the some formal charge on the some molecules. Okay students, here in examination students they are asking for 2 marks question. Find out the formal charge on sulfur, carbon and nitrogen atom in a molecule thiocyanide. Now students, these are the thiocyanides having different structure. So suppose this is structure we call as structure A, this is structure B and this is structure C. Okay students, now we are going to find the formal charge of sulfur, carbon and nitrogen atom in these thiocyanide. So students, first we will consider A structure. We are taking structure A. Thiocyanide students, here carbon will be the central atom. Carbon has 4 valency and here the nitrogen and here it is sulfur. Now students, with the help of Lewis dot structure we are going to fill the electrons. Now here students, sulfur is having here 4 bonding electrons. Now remaining non-bonding 2 electron we have to show like this Lewis structure. So octet of the sulfur is completed. Same way students, when you see the carbon octet, it is already completed by bonded electron. Now when you see the nitrogen students, nitrogen here it has 4 bonded electrons and you have to drop 2 more 4 electrons to make the octet complete of the nitrogen. After writing these students, now it is very easy to find out the formal charge of the sulfur, carbon and nitrogen. So students, formal charge in shorthand we can write FC. Formal charge on sulfur students is equals to valence electron of sulfur minus non-bonding electron of sulfur minus bonding electron of sulfur. You have to make it half of the bonding electron of sulfur. Okay students, so this is the formula we are going to use students. Valence electron students, when you see the sulfur, atomic number is 16. So electron will be what? 286. The outermost orbit has 6 electrons. So that is the valence electron. 6 minus non-bonding electron students, when you see the sulfur here. So these 2 electrons are not bonded to any other atom. So there is total 4 electrons which are coming in non-bonding. Now after that students, bonding electrons of this sulfur here had to bond with the carbon. So one bond contains 2 electrons. So total it has 4 bonding electrons. You have to make half of the 4 electrons. Okay students, so if you subtract students 6 minus 4 minus 2, that means the 0 charge is coming on sulfur in this structure. Same way students, you can find out the formal charge on carbon in structure. Same structure students, carbon as the center, this thiocyanide structure. These are 2 to 4 electrons are non-bonding. Here there is no non-bonding electrons, here 4 are not bonding. They are following the Lewis dot structure. After writing, now you want to find out the formal charge on carbon, which is equals to the valence electron of carbon minus non-bonding electron of carbon minus bonding electron of carbon, and you have to half it. Okay students, now valence electron students, carbon atomic number is 6 and the electronic configuration of carbon 2 4. So 4 will be the valence electron minus non-bonding students, there is no non-bonding electrons when you see the structure. So 0, and bonding electron, it has carbon is at the center. Now it has got 4 bonded lines. So one bond line will contains 2 electrons, so it has got 8 electrons which are present in the carbon bonding electrons. So you have to half it. So you will get 4 minus 0 minus 4, that is 0. There is no charge on carbon. Same way students, you can find out the formal charge on nitrogen, which is equals to valence electron. Valence electron students, nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 2 5. 5 will be the valence electron minus non-bonding electrons students. Here you can see the clearly 1 2 3 4. 4 electrons are not bonding. Bonding electron, it has got 2 double bond. So that means half of 4 electrons, because one line shows 2 electrons. Now when you solve this students, 5 minus 4 minus 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is -2. You will find 5 minus 6, that is -1. So students, in this structure nitrogen will has -1 charge, and that is why when you add all, here it has got 0 charge, carbon is also 0, this is -1. So whole molecule will carry -1 charge. Okay students, this is the first structure we have seen students. Now students, same way you can find out the structure B. Structure B, which is this structure, carbon will be at the center, it has got triple bond with nitrogen and single bond with sulfur. Now you have to complete the octet of each atom in this molecule students. So it has got 2 electrons here which are bonded. Now 6 electrons you have to show like this. This is the sulfur. Carbon already it has got valence electron. Now here bonding 6 bonding electron of nitrogen and 2 more non-bonding you have to show. Okay students, this and it whole molecule has got -1 charge. Now students, same way we can find out the formal charge on sulfur, which is equals to valence electron of sulfur minus non-bonding electron of sulfur minus half of the bonding electrons of sulfur. Okay students, when you see the valence electron students, atomic number of sulfur is 16. Its electronic configuration is 286. So 6 will be the valence electron. Non-bonding electron you can see students 6, which is 6 electron which are there. There is no bonding. Non-bonding 6 minus bonding. There is only 2 electrons which are involved in half of the bonding electron, that is 2. Now this is 0 minus 1, that is -1 charge will be there on this structure. Same way students, formal charge on carbon, you can find out the valence electron of carbon is what, atomic number of carbon is 6, electronic configuration is 2 4. So 4 will be the valence electron. 4 minus non-bonding, there is no non-bonding electrons, so 0. There is 8 bonded electrons are there in the half of the 8 electrons. So 4 minus 0 minus 4, that means 0. Formal charge on carbon here will be 0. Same way students, formal charge on nitrogen, you can also find out. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, electronic configuration 2 5. 5 will be the valence electron. 5 minus, when you see the non-bonding electron in carbon, only 2. And when you see the bonding electron students, there is triple bond, so 6 electrons are there in the bonding part. 2 half of the 6 electron, so 5 minus 2 minus 3. Now when you get students 0, there will be no charge on the nitrogen. So 0 plus 0 minus 1, the total charge of this molecule will be -1. So this is about the structure B. Okay students, same way students, you can find out the structure C also. In structure C students, in structure C students, the structure is like this students. Carbon will be at the center. Now carbon is having triple bond with sulfur and single bond with nitrogen. This is thiocyanide students. Now whole molecule will has -1 charge. Now here also students, you can find out the formal charge on each atom of this molecule. Formal charge on sulfur, which is equals to the valence electron of sulfur minus non-bonding electron of sulfur minus bonding electron of sulfur, and make it half. Okay students, valence electron students, I have, how you got, you know the atomic number of sulfur. Atomic number of sulfur is what, 16. So 2 8 and 16, 6 electron will be there in valence. Non-bonding students, how you got, so you have to complete the Lewis dot structure. So students, here total 6 electrons are there in the 3 bond, so one more, so total 8 electron. Now sulfur, carbon is already completed. Nitrogen students, 2 electrons are there in bonding, and you have to make 6 electrons which are present in the non-bonding. So octet of nitrogen is also completed. After writing this Lewis dot structure students, you can write non-bonding electron of sulfur. Here it is only 2. Bonding electron students, 6 bonding electrons are there. 3 bond with the sulfur, that means 6. Now when you -2, it will -3. So 1 charge, 1 positive charge will be there. When you see the students in formal charge on carbon, here students, carbon atomic number is 6, 2 4, electronic configuration 4 will be valence electron minus non-bonding, there is 0. Total bond students, when you see 4 bond are there, that means half of the 8 electrons. When you see students 4 minus 0 minus 4, that is 0 charge will be there in carbon. Same way students, with formal charge on nitrogen, you can also find valence electron of nitrogen nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 2 5 will be the electronic configuration. 5 will be the valence electron minus non-bonding electron. Students, you can see here 2 2 3 6 non-bonding electrons are there, minus half of the bonding electrons, students, that is 2 electrons which are there in the bonding. Now when you solve this, students, 5 minus 6 minus 1, so here you are getting, students, how much? 5 minus 7, that is minus 2 charge will be there in the nitrogen. So students, this is having plus 1 0 charge, and this is having minus 2 output. When you add all this, you will get minus 1 charge on the molecule. This way, students, you can find out the charges, formal charge on the atom as well as the whole molecule of the compound thiocyanate. Okay students, one more example now, students, we are going to see, that is, we are going to, in examination they are asking, find out the formal charge on oxygen and carbon in carbon dioxide molecule. Now students, carbon dioxide molecule present in 3 form, which I already have shown, given the in Lewis dot structure. This is the structure A, this is structure B, and this is structure C. So we are going to find out the formal charge on oxygen and carbon in the all structure. So students, when you are writing solution, how you are going to write, that is very important, students. First we are going to take this structure A. In structure A, students, what is the structure? The carbon will be at the center, having complete its octet. Now this is the 4 non-bonding electrons of the oxygen, and here the oxygen is having what? 4 non-bonding. So in this structure, students, now what will be the formal charge? Formal charge on oxygen atom, students, that is the valence electron of oxygen minus non-bonding electron of oxygen, half of the bonding electron of oxygen. Okay students, valence electron, students, how you got oxygen atomic number is what? 8. Electronic configuration, students, 2 6, correct? So 6 will be the valence electrons minus non-bonding electron. When you see, students, 1 and 2 3 4 will be the non-bonding electrons. Bonding electrons, students, here 2 double bond is there, that means it has got 4 bonding electrons. When you solve, students, 6 minus 4 minus 2, that means it is coming 0. There will be 0 charge on this oxygen. Same way is happening in this oxygen also. Now students, you can also find out the formal charge on carbon in the structure which I have taken in structure A. That is, structure is, students, carbon double bond this oxygen, double bond with this oxygen, and non-bonding electrons, here 4 non-bonding electrons will be there. Okay students, now we are going to find out the formal charge on the carbon on this molecule. The formal charge on carbon, which is equal to, students, so you can write valence electron of carbon minus non-bonding electron of carbon minus bonding electron, half of the bonding electron of carbon. Okay students, carbon, you know, students, atomic number is what? 6. Electronic configuration 2 4. So 4 will be the valence electrons. Non-bonding, students, there is no electrons in non-bonding. Bonding electrons, students, total 8 electrons are there. When you solve, students, 4 minus 4, that is 0. There will be 0 charge in this carbon. Okay students, so this way, students, you can find out the formal charge on carbon in this structure. Now similarly, students, you can find out the formal charge on oxygen in structure B, that is carbon which has got triple bond with this oxygen and single bond with this oxygen. Okay students, very simple. Now you have to put the Lewis dot structure. Here students, this oxygen will has 6 non-bonding electrons. Okay students, so students, formal charge on oxygen, first oxygen, students, valence electron of oxygen minus non-bonding electron of oxygen minus half of the bonding electrons of oxygen. I am talking about this oxygen, students, first oxygen. Valence electron, students, oxygen atomic number is 8. 2 6 6 will be the valence electron of this oxygen. Non-bonding electrons, only 2 electrons are there, students. Bonding electrons, students, 6 electrons are there because 3 bonds are there. Each bond included 2 electrons. So students, 6 minus 2 minus 3, that is plus 1. will be the charge. Now what about the students second structure? Formal charge on oxygen in this structure students, triple bond with this oxygen and single bond with this oxygen. Okay students, now we are talking this second oxygen. First oxygen we already got. The formal charge on second oxygen students is equals to valence electron of oxygen minus non-bonding electron of oxygen minus half of the bonding electron of oxygen. Okay students, valence electron students, oxygen atomic number is 8, 2, 6, 6 will be the valence electrons. Non-bonding electrons students, here you can see there is a 6 non-bonding electrons is also there. Bonding electrons, only one bond is there, that means 2 electrons will be there. 6 minus 6 minus 1. So students, 6 minus 6 0. Okay students, 6 minus 6 0 and minus 1. So minus 1 will be the charge will be there with this oxygen. Okay students, so this way students you can find out the formal charge on second oxygen. These are very important students for the examination point of view. In examination they are asking what will be the charge on this oxygen. So students, these are the very important for the examination point of view. This will become complete the formal charge on the carbon dioxide molecules. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.